Alright class, so for week 3, I just wanted to give you an overview here. So for Monday night, you're going to take this guided revision quiz, and it's going to take you through step-by-step revising your editorial. So you're going to look at each aspect of the assignment and the rubric and make some revisions. This is meant to take a couple of hours, so I recommend not doing this all in one sitting, but blocking out some time where you'll be able to take some breaks in between and then just working on this. So you've got your editorial honed, finished, and ready to go. And that's an important activity because the revision is really where you should be doing most of the work. That's how you make sure you have a good draft. If you're willing to revise, chances are your draft will be stronger. Then there's some instructions here where you'll add an ID number to your final draft. You can click on that for more information. And then the most important thing, your final draft will be due Monday night. So those are the 3 things. You have an optional opportunity to publish your final draft in the class magazine for extra credit, but these are the 3 main things to work on. So that's probably the most important thing this week. For Wednesday night, we're going to start looking at our next assignment, which is the review letter, and you'll be learning about that, choosing an article for that, and then writing a summary. You'll also take the What is Patch Writing quiz, and then you'll submit your summary here for workshop and take the run-on sentences quiz. For Friday night, you're going to respond to your peers' summaries here, and also you give yourself some feedback. You'll learn how to write the logos paragraph and submit that for workshop. And then for Saturday night, you'll revise your summary based on your feedback, give your peers feedback on their logos sections, and then submit your ethos section. And you'll learn more about these words, logos and ethos, when you read the assignment instructions for the review letter guidelines. So that's the basic process for this week. We're doing writing, we're giving feedback, we're making revisions. So continuing to follow that same process we've been doing. Again, I want to emphasize making sure you can get that editorial in on time and making sure it's your best that you can make it. And I'm here if you have any questions.